Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to switch AI models within the Qwen AI app on your phone. So let's start from the home screen of our mobile phone. Select your desired web browsing application. For me, it's Google. Tap on it. Once you are in your Google interface, you have to type in Qwen AI on your search bar and it will get you to this interface. Once you are in the Qwen AI homepage, you have to tap on the profile icon from the top right corner and select settings. In the settings interface, you have to select model. Here you can see various models of Qwen AI. As you can see in the screen, in order to access it, you need tokens. So if you have tokens, then you will be able to switch the model in Qwen AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.